Hello, beautiful humans. I just want to take this few minutes to tell you about our step-by-step program that is simplified so that Dr. Google and all of the other experts in the world will not get you confused. Many of us are coming to this health journey with lots of research, lots of information, and a lot of it is conflicting and a lot of it is mind-boggling. And many of us, let's just face it, have a little brain fog and it's making it difficult for us to really pull it all together. And what if you've tried 100 different things and none of them have worked? That's because it was not customized. So our simple step-by-step program, I shouldn't call it simple. It is work, but our simple coaching and treatment program is designed specifically for those that need to hear the information and not get confused and have availability to go back and watch those videos and learn it again. And then when you're working with us in our one-on-one program, we're going to help you tweak that for yourself. So let me give you a little overview. The first thing that we learn about is those underlying causes. In our coaching program, we actually have assessments for you to take for yourself and identify those underlying causes. The second part of that is we look at each step. How is our gut? If we're not absorbing nutrients, our gut cannot get the nutrients necessary into our body in order for us to heal. We have to have the nutrients in order to heal. So we teach you how to go about step by step getting your gut healthy. Then, once our gut is able to start absorbing nutrients, we have to also look at some of those underlying causes. So along the way, we're going to learn about how to manage our stress. We're going to learn about the hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal axis that actually causes issues with our thyroid. We're going to learn about how our immune system works and how to help either avoid autoimmune or how to heal ourselves from an autoimmune concern. We'll take you step by step along the way. Now, in our coaching program, we have a free site, which I've asked you to go ahead and sign up for. And then we have a paid site, and you can sign up for that. There are links in our website, so you can go ahead and look for those. But if you're working one-on-one, the access to that paid site is free while you're working with us one-on-one. So this gives you the opportunity to get the educational pieces and still be learning and working with us directly. We have several treatment interventions, and those treatment interventions include things like auricular therapy or auricular medicine, where we're teaching you how to do that for yourself at home. We do it with you as well if you're local, but you can do a lot of this at home, and we teach you how to do that. We teach you about frequency medicine, and we can actually do frequency medicine long distance, and it works. So learn more about frequency medicine, peruse our website, maybe go to the articles area and search biofeedback. You'll learn a lot there on how frequency medicine works. We will be able to teach you about different strategies to help you maintain balance in your stress, maintain balance in your diet. We'll help you with food prep and meal planning. We have so much that we can help you with. And wherever you are struggling, whatever area that is becoming difficult for you, maybe you've been going to the doctor for 5 years and they can't find anything wrong, but you know in yourself there's something. We'll help you find that. Again, step by step. So I want to encourage you, when you come to this call, if you are ready to take that next step, let me know. I will be the one calling you, so I'll give you a call. We'll talk about what you've put in your forms, and we'll look at what those next steps are going to be from here. I think it's really important for you to have an understanding of what we do and for you to be able to see the benefit of taking one step at a time. And we guide you and we lead you. And we are so looking forward to working with you.